Hello, everyone, and welcome back to English the Natural Way. I'm Alex.
Hi, friends. I'm Linda. We're so excited to have you with us today. Whether you're at home, studying, or relaxing, thank you for joining us.
Today, we're exploring two perfect tenses, I have done and I had done.
These tenses look similar, but have completely different uses.
Understanding them helps you talk about time accurately.
They're essential for expressing when actions happened.
By the end of this episode, you'll use both confidently.
Before we start, please like this episode and subscribe to English the Natural Way.
All right, let's get started.
First, let's understand what these tenses mean.
They're both perfect tenses, showing completed actions.
I have done is present perfect, connected to now.
I had done is past perfect, happened before another past event.
Let's explore each one.
Tense 1, I have done, present perfect.
I have done connects the past to the present.
The key idea is the action is finished but relevant now.
Structure, subject, plus have or has, plus past participle.
I have done my homework. She has finished the report. We have eaten already.
Uses of I have done.
Use 1, actions completed at an unspecified time in the past.
I have visited Paris, sometime in my life, don't know exactly when.
She has read that book. At some point, time isn't important.
Use 2, actions that started in the past and continue to now.
I have lived here for 10 years. Started 10 years ago, still living here.
She has worked there since 2020. Started in 2020, still working.
Use 3, recent actions with results visible now.
I have just finished dinner. Just now, I'm full.
He has broken his leg. Past action, he's injured now.
Use 4, life experiences up to now.
I have been to Japan 3 times in my life up to now.
Tense 2, I had done.
I had done shows an action completed before another past action.
The key idea is earlier past before later past.
Structure, subject plus had plus past participle.
I had done my homework before dinner. She had finished when I arrived.
I had eaten before the movie started. Eating happened first, then movie.
She had already left when I called. Leaving first, calling second.
Use 2, explaining background to a past story.
I was tired because I had worked all day. Working explains tiredness.
The road was wet because it had rained. Rain explains wetness.
Use 3, expressing regret about the past.
I realized I had made a mistake. Mistake before realization.
Use 4, in reported speech about past.
Direct, I have finished. Reported, she said she had finished.
The key differences.
I have done is past action connected to present.
I had done past action before another past action.
I have done links to now.
I had done needs 2 past events.
Let's practice with a conversation.
Alex, did you see the email I sent you yesterday?
Yes, I have already replied to it this morning.
Great. I was worried because I had sent it to the wrong address first.
Oh no, I didn't know that. When did you realize?
Right after I sent it, I had typed your old email by mistake.
That happens. I have made that mistake too many times. Have you updated all your contacts?
Yes, I have done that already, but before I did, I had lost so many important messages.
I can imagine. I'm glad everything is fixed now.
Me too. By the way, have you finished the project?
Not yet, but I had completed most of it before the weekend.
Did you notice both tenses? I have already replied. Past action, relevant now.
I had sent it to the wrong address before realizing.
I had typed your old email before sending.
I have made that mistake. Experience in my life.
I have done that already. Completed. Result is now.
I had lost so many messages before updating my contacts.
Have you finished the project? Question about now.
I had completed most of it before the weekend.
Both tenses used naturally.
Common mistakes to avoid.
Mistake 1. Using have done with specific past time.
Wrong, I have done it yesterday. Correct, I did it yesterday.
Don't use present perfect with yesterday, last week, in 2020.
Mistake 2. Using had done without another past reference.
Wrong, I had eaten dinner. Alone, no context. Correct, I had eaten dinner before the movie.
Past perfect needs two past events.
Mistake 3. Confusing past participles.
Wrong, I have ate. Correct, I have eaten.
Learn irregular verbs. Do, did, done. Eat, ate, eaten. Go, went, gone.
Mistake 4. Using did when you mean I have done.
Did you ever visit Paris? Versus, have you ever visited Paris?
Have for life experience without specific time.
Mistake 5. Forgetting had in past perfect.
Wrong, I done it before you came. Correct, I had done it before you came.
Always need had.
I have done in different contexts.
Talking about experiences.
I have traveled to 20 countries. I have never eaten sushi. Have you ever tried skydiving?
Announcing recent news.
I have just gotten engaged. She has won the lottery. They have bought a house.
Showing duration to now.
I have known her for 5 years. He has been a teacher since 2015. I had done in different contexts.
Storytelling.
I arrived at the station, but the train had already left.
Explaining causes.
I was hungry because I hadn't eaten breakfast.
Showing earlier completion.
By the time she arrived, I had finished cooking.
Time markers.
Words that signal which tense.
Present perfect. Already. Yet. Just. Ever. Never. Recently. So far. For. Since.
I have just finished. Have you ever been there? I haven't seen her yet.
Past perfect. Before. After. By the time. When. Until.
I had left before she arrived. By the time I got there, they had gone.
Comparing both tenses.
Same situation, different meanings. I have lost my keys. They're still lost now.
I had lost my keys, but I found them later. Lost before, then found.
I have finished my work. It's done now.
I had finished my work before the meeting. Finished before meeting time.
Negative forms.
Saying what hasn't happened.
I have not done or I haven't done. I haven't finished yet.
I had not done or I hadn't done. I hadn't studied before the test.
Question forms.
Asking about completion.
Have you done your homework? Has she finished?
Had you done it before I called? Had they left when you arrived?
With specific numbers.
Counting experiences.
I have been to Paris 3 times. She has called me twice today.
I had visited that place twice before my last trip.
Unfinished time versus finished time.
Important distinction.
Unfinished time now continues. I have worked hard today. Today isn't finished.
Finished time. Completely past. I worked hard yesterday. Yesterday is finished.
I have read 3 books this month. Month continues.
I read 3 books last month. Month is over.
Present perfect with for and since.
Duration to now.
For equals length of time. I have lived here for 5 years.
Since equals starting point. I have lived here since 2019.
Both show continuation to present.
Past perfect in conditional sentences.
Third conditional.
If I had studied harder, I would have passed. But I didn't study harder, so I didn't pass.
If she had told me, I would have helped. But she didn't tell me.
Regrets and hypotheticals.
Present perfect in news and announcements.
Recent events.
The president has resigned. Scientists have discovered a new planet. A new restaurant has opened downtown.
Makes news feel current.
Past perfect in reported speech.
Changing tenses.
Direct. I have finished my work. Reported. He said he had finished his work.
Present perfect becomes past perfect.
Result versus sequence.
Main difference.
Present perfect. Result visible now. I have painted the room. Look, the room is painted now.
Past perfect. Sequence in the past.
I had painted the room before she arrived. Painted first, arrival second. Contractions.
Shortened forms.
I have, I've, and she has, she's.
I've done it. She's finished.
I had, I'd, and they had, they'd.
I'd already eaten. They'd left.
Very common in speech. Just, already, and yet.
Position in sentences.
Just and already go before the past participle.
I have just finished. She has already gone.
Yet goes at the end of questions and negatives.
Have you finished yet? I haven't done it yet.
Real-life scenarios.
Job interviews.
I have worked in marketing for 5 years, experience to now.
I had completed my degree before I started this job. Sequence.
Travel experiences.
I have visited Italy 3 times. Life experience.
I had never flown before my trip last year, before that specific trip.
Academic situations.
I have studied English since high school, continuing.
I had finished the assignment before the deadline. Sequence.
Present perfect for changes.
Before and after.
I have lost weight. She has grown taller. The city has changed.
Shows transformation to now.
Past perfect for background information.
Setting the scene.
The house looked beautiful because they had renovated it.
I felt confident because I had prepared well.
Explaining past situations.
Ever and never.
Life experiences.
Have you ever been to Asia? I have never eaten octopus.
Had you ever seen snow before moving here?
Questions about experience.
Common expressions.
Fixed phrases.
I have had enough. It has been a long day. I have no idea.
I had no choice. I had better go. I'd had enough.
Natural combinations.
More detailed examples.
Let's explore deeper scenarios.
Daily life with present perfect.
I have already brushed my teeth. Done this morning, relevant now.
She has just arrived at work. Very recent.
We have known each other since childhood. Started in past, continues.
Have you seen my keys? Looking for them now.
Storytelling with past perfect.
When I got home, my family had already eaten, eating before arriving.
The movie had started when we arrived. Movie first, arrival second.
I was upset because I had failed the test, failing before being upset.
Achievements with present perfect.
What you've accomplished.
I have graduated from college. She has won 3 medals. They have started a business.
Results exist now.
Regrets with past perfect.
Missed opportunities.
I had wanted to go, but I couldn't. She had hoped to win. We had planned to visit.
Changes with present perfect.
Transformations visible now.
Technology has changed everything. I have become stronger. The city has grown.
Background with past perfect.
Explaining past situations.
I knew the answer because I had studied. He was tired because he had worked all day.
Unfinished time with present perfect.
Today, this week, this year.
I have drunk 3 coffees today. Today continues.
She has called twice this week. Week isn't over.
Time sequences with past perfect.
By the time, after, before.
By the time I woke up, they had left. After she had gone, I cleaned.
Experiences with present perfect.
Have you questions?
Have you ever tried sushi? Have you been to London? Have you met her?
Common irregular verbs.
Essential to learn.
Do, did, done. Go, went, gone. See, saw, seen. Eat, ate, eaten.
Be, was, were, been. Have, had, had. Make, made, made. Take, took, taken.
Practice these.
Mistakes to avoid. Detailed.
Mistakes explained.
Error 1. Using specific time with present perfect.
Wrong. I have seen her yesterday. Right. I saw her yesterday.
No yesterday, last week, in 2020 with have done.
No yesterday, last week, in 2020 with have done.
Error 2. Missing context with past perfect.
Wrong. Standing alone, I had eaten dinner. Right. I had eaten dinner before the movie.
Past perfect needs two past events.
Past perfect needs two past events.
Error 3. Wrong past participle.
Wrong. I have went there. Right. I have gone there.
Learn, go, went, gone, not went.
Learn, go, went, gone, not went.
Error 4. Using past simple for life experience.
Awkward. Did you ever visit Paris? Better, have you ever visited Paris?
Error 5. Forgetting auxiliary.
Wrong. I done it. Right. I have done it, or I had done it.
Always need have, has, or had.
Always need have, has, or had.
Present perfect in job interviews.
Professional contexts.
I have managed teams for 5 years. I have completed numerous projects.
I have developed strong skills. Shows experience to now.
Past perfect in explaining problems.
What went wrong?
The project failed because we had underestimated the cost.
I missed the flight because I left home late.
Shows cause and effect.
Quick review.
I have done is present perfect.
Past action connected to now.
Uses, experiences, recent actions, duration to present, results visible now.
Time markers, just, already, yet, ever, never, for, since.
I had done is past perfect.
Past action before another past action.
Uses, sequence of events, background info, explaining causes, regrets.
Time markers, before, after, by the time, when, until.
Have done is no specific time, relevant now.
Had done needs two past events.
Don't use have done with yesterday, last week, in 2020.
Don't use had done alone without context.
Structure have, has, plus past participle, or had plus past participle.
Learn irregular verbs.
Have done answers, what's the current situation?
Had done answers what happened first in the past.
You now understand both tenses completely.
These perfect tenses are essential for accurate English.
Use I have done when talking about now.
Use I had done when showing past sequence.
If you enjoyed this episode, thumbs up.
Subscribe to English the Natural Way for more clear lessons.
Leave a comment. Create a sentence using have done or had done.
We love seeing you practice.
Keep learning, keep practicing, keep building confidence.
See you in the next episode.
Bye, everyone.
Bye.